I want to talk about one of the most controversial topics in advanced nanotechnology and synthetic biology right now. What do you know about self-replicating nanobots that develop their own personalized AI autonomously inside of the human body? Sounds crazy, right? Well, we see self-replication at nanoscale in biology. Cells replicate, bacteria replicate, and viruses replicate. But artificial self-replicating machines? Hold on, bro. That's a bit sci-fi, isn't it? I don't know. Is it? Listen, I don't know exactly how they've come by the knowledge and technology to create machines that can self-replicate inside of the human body. But I do know that molecular assemblers and nanotech was a concept that's been highly studied and popularized by American engineers such as Eric Drexler. And that there have been massive leaps forward in synthetic cell technology and funding and progress focused specifically on engineered bacteria programmed to behave like nanobots. But onboard AI inside of each nanobot? This is quite a development indeed. That's my thinking. This would require nanoscale processors, memory storage, sensing capabilities, and a communication network between the bots. And at that scale, current mainstream computing hardware is extremely limited. Some of the limits would be heat dissipation at nanoscale, power generation inside of the bloodstream, data storage size, communication bandwidth, and also quantum and thermal noise issues. Even modern CPUs struggle with power and heat. Shrinking that into a nanobot multiplies the challenge significantly. But we, the public, are extremely limited in terms of knowledge of what technology actually exists. Exactly how we are now embedding meaningful AI inside a nanometer-sized machine is unclear to me. I'm guessing it will be some kind of swarm system, wherein each nanobot is simple. Intelligence emerges from networks, coordination, and processing happens externally. Perhaps a cloud, or a wearable device, or an implant, or perhaps even a certain frequency, like 5G, controlled from a cell tower, perhaps. We've seen how focused and targeted frequencies can animate tech. So, this doesn't seem like such an absurd leap in technology when you actually think about it. What I am describing is similar to swarm robotics, neural networks, and immune system behavior. It seems to me in other documented deep thinkers that most technologies were developed based on human biology. The body itself is the greatest technological device there is, but it's biological. So it makes sense that this technology too would be designed and built in line with how the human body works. Biology itself holds all the secrets in with us. The technology could align with us biologically, i.e. the AI could adapt to your metabolism, your immune profile, your genetics, and your neural signals. But it would likely be trained externally and updated. Visible research today shows us smart nanoparticles that can release drugs when detecting cancer markers. There's CRISPR gene editing technology, synthetic biology circuits, that's engineered cells acting like logic gates, brain-computer interfaces, and personalized AI models trained on biometric data. I would say it's very likely indeed that this technology was what was in the serum delivered via global shoulder stabs that were rewarded with burgers and kebabs. Now, if you're going to put a technology like this inside of yourself, a technology that can replicate, learn, adapt, modify itself, and make autonomous decisions, then the self starts to resemble a synthetic life form, part human, part machine. The NPCs are going to get a whole lot more NPC over time. So pay attention, watch closely, and you'll see what I mean.